Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 27th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 27th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in magnesium. Fruits and seeds salad contain high amount of magnesium, which is very essential for proper fetal growth and development. It plays a role in bone formation, as well as the development of the heart, nerves, and muscles of the baby. Mixed fruit salad. Ingredients: guava, 100 grams, kiwi, 1 no, muskmelon, 100 grams, banana, 1 small, chia seed, 10 grams, pumpkin seed, 10 grams. Mixed fruit salad. For the 27th week, let us see how to make this. First, soak chia seeds for 1 hour, roast pumpkin seeds in a medium heat and keep aside. Cut all the fruits into small pieces. Now, in a bowl mix all the fruits. And add soaked chia seed and roasted pumpkin seeds, mix well and serve chill. Mixed fruit salad. A mixed fruit salad is a highly beneficial addition to a pregnancy diet. It provides essential nutrients, supports hydration, aids digestion, and offers a range of health benefits. However, it's important to be mindful of food safety during pregnancy, ensuring that fruits are properly washed and prepared to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. And then, hope you liked the 27th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.